Alright guys, something I wanted to show you. And I like doing vending machines. I know you guys like seeing them. This is a face mask vending machine here at Disney Springs. It's $2 and you get a face mask, which is actually quite expensive. I've seen far better deals, but I wanted to just try it and put it on my channel. Alright, well I got the two ones. Which one do you think we should pick? Big choices, huh? Okay, let's just do it. Put the $2 in. There's the one. There's the two. Well, let's just do 305 for the hell of it. 305. Alright, here it goes. Oh, yep. Check out. Are you excited as I'm excited? Whoa, there it goes. Yeah. There you go, guys. Let's use my face mask vending machine. Here you go. Hold that for a minute. Well, that was exciting.
Wait a minute.
Okay. There we go.